Hello everyone. Today, I would like to introduce my proof of concept to you. I have developed a connector that allows the transfer of tasks from Camunda to a UiPath bot. In this demo, I will show you the current capabilities of this integration. First, let's take a look at the workflow in the Camunda modeler. Important information before we proceed: you can find all the files I'm showing you in the repository linked below. Feel free to download them and use them for your own projects. First, we have a start event. Attached to it is a form where you can enter your name. This name will be required later in the process. Next, we have 3 service tasks which I will discuss in detail shortly. The user tasks are there simply to display the results produced by the service tasks. They are not technically significant. In the first service task, a synchronous task is used to start a robot with an input. The bot receives the task and generates a superhero name on a website. You can find the configuration details in the repository as well. In the second service task, an item is created in the orchestrator queue. A trigger is set up to start a robot whenever an item is added to the queue. This robot then goes to a website and counts the characters in the generated name, returning that value. Once the item is created, the workflow continues. In the last service task, the status of the created queue item is retrieved and made available for further processing in the workflow. In this case, the workflow proceeds when the status is successful. Otherwise, it goes back and waits for 30 seconds. This method allows you to react to different statuses and handle them within the workflow. The output variables are always passed along. Now let's start the workflow. I'll enter the name here, let's say Roland. After that, the robot will be started in this task, which will give me a cool name in return. Now, let's take a look at the progress in the cockpit. We can see that the robot has been started. Now the robot is finished. Let's check the name. And I'll complete the task. Now, we have to wait until the queue item is created. Now, the generated name is created as a queue item, and the robot is started. This might take a while. The item has been created, and the 30-second timer is running. Now, the status has been retrieved, and the character count has been passed along. We can now check the length and complete the workflow. That's it for the overview of the proof of concept. If you're interested in exploring the details and accessing the files, please check out the repository link below. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this demonstration helpful.